If you struggle to memorize music and feel like no matter how hard you try, things just don't stick and you end up going back to sheet music and relying on it, I have some tips for you that you can start incorporating into your everyday practice routine today that will make a big difference. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We'd love to have you here. My first tip for improving your ability to memorize music is to practice learning tunes by ear. I have several videos on this topic if you want some pointers, and if you're a subscriber to this channel, you already know the importance of learning tunes by ear, but if you're not already doing this, I would highly encourage it because it will make such a difference in improving your musical memory. Another way you can start to improve your ability to memorize music is to learn a tune or a piece from sheet music and then start to memorize very small chunks of it. Starting from the beginning of the piece or the tune that you're working on, try playing just the first couple of measures with the music and then turn the music around or close your eyes and try playing those same two measures back from memory. This is a great way to test yourself and see how your memory is improving and also just see where you're at memory-wise and how much you're able to retain. From there, you can start to build onto this until you have more measures and then you'll have a phrase and then you can try memorizing two phrases, but having this practice of reading the notes on the page first and then going ahead and trying to play that same section from memory is a really great way to practice memorization on a small scale. My third and final tip for improving your ability to memorize music is to listen to recordings. Now, this is great for any musician. I always encourage listening to music, but specifically, it'll really help improve your ability to retain music. Not only this, but the more that you listen to music in the style that you're interested in, the more you'll be able to predict things like the form of the tune and the chords, despite having never played it before. So those are my tips for improving your memory when it comes to music. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy practicing!